Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to look at some pedigree results and see if it's possible to determine the allelic combinations of the parents, these two, which would have led to these offspring, to these children. By the way, this would be the parental generation, and this would be the F1 generation in this little brief exercise. I set the female as a carrier female. She doesn't manifest, the mother does not manifest the trait. I set the father as unaffected. As a key, we're saying that big B is normal vision and little b is colorblind. We're saying that if the square or circle is shaded, then that person is affected. We're talking about X-linked scenarios. So let's look at this. That's not a female, that's a male because it's a square, right? Let's look at this affected male here. This would be the 1/4, 25% chance to get an affected male. If we have a carrier female and a normal male, then X little b y is possible, 1/4 chance. The female is unaffected. Notice that in this allelic combination, we don't get any affected female children. We get X big B, which is a female that is not even a carrier. And then we do get X big B, X little b, which is like the mother, a carrier, but not manifesting the trait. The other possibility is for a normal male. Well, that's not shown here. We have an affected male being shown here. So we have a normal father for color vision and a carrier female, which could result in this possibility. Let me know what you think in the comments below.